Buenos dias. This video is going to review a few things with you pertaining to direct objects and the direct object pronouns. Some of you have done some exercises already, have been studying diligently in the book, and I'm just going to reiterate much of what the book says, but also present it to you in a different way. So, and this is pretty much the format that I want you to see on the chapter test. So, first of all, let's go ahead and take a look at the definition of a direct object. Well, what is it? As it states right here on the sheet, a direct object is the noun that most directly receives the action from the verb. For example, I have the book. So what is it that I have? The book. In English, we'd use a pronoun, and if somebody asks me, do you have the book? Yes, I have it. It is taking the place of book. Therefore, it's a direct object pronoun. The second example, I take the kids to the park. What are you taking? The kids. That's what's being most directly affected by the verb. So, are you taking the kids to the park? Yes, I am taking them. The word them is taking the place of kids, therefore it is a pronoun. We use pronouns to replace the noun in order to avoid redundancy. Think about it. If I were to go ahead and just say, are you taking the kids to the park? Yes, I am taking the kids to the park. Again, there you have that redundancy. Now, we use the pronouns to avoid the redundancy, as I said, and here are some examples. Tengo el libro. I have the book. El libro is the direct object. What is it that I have? The book. If you go down, here are the list of pronouns, by the way, and if you go down here to the question, ¿Tienes el libro? Sí, lo tengo. Yes, I have it. Or literally, it's saying, yes, it I have. Note that the direct object pronoun is placed in front of the conjugated verb. ¿Llevas a los niños al parque? Sí, los llevo al parque. Here we located it before the conjugated verb. Yes, I'm taking them to the park, or yes, them I am taking to the park. So, to repeat, the direct object pronoun has been placed in front of the conjugated verb. I want to emphasize this. We can also locate it attached to the end of the infinitive. Example, here we're using the ir plus a plus infinitive construction, which you learned last chapter with the verb ir. Sí, so here the question, ¿Vas a tener el libro? Are you going to have the book? Sí, lo voy a tener, where I'm placing it before this conjugated verb. Or I can attach it to the end of the infinitive form of the verb. Sí, voy a tenerlo. Well, why didn't I do it up here? There was no infinitive to attach it to, so we did not have the option. But down here, because we're using the ir plus a plus infinitive, you do have that option. Example, ¿Necesitas leer la lección? Do you need to read? Here's an infinitive. Sí, la necesito leer. Or, sí, necesito leerla. There's the other example where we're attaching it to the end of the infinitive. So here, let's go ahead and go through some of these together. ¿Tocas el piano? Sí, lo toco. Yes, I play it. Lo is taking the place of the piano. ¿Preparas la comida? Sí, la preparo. Yes, I prepare it. La is taking the place of la comida. ¿Quieres? Do you want? ¿Quieres los papeles? Sí, los quiero. Again, we're putting it before the conjugated verb. ¿Necesitas las computadoras? Sí, las necesito. Yes, I need them. Now here, careful, we have ir plus a plus infinitive. ¿Vas a traer la mochila? Are you going to bring the mochila? Sí, voy a traerla. However, we also could have said, sí, la voy a traer. I could have put it before the conjugated verb. I could have put that object pronoun before the conjugated verb. Now this one's fun because I'm asking the question using a direct object pronoun. Are you going to call me? ¿Me vas a llamar? Sí, te voy a llamar. How else could I have answered this? Sí, voy a llamar. Let me see if we got it. Sí, voy a llamarte. ¿Quieres invitar a nosotros? Do you want to invite us? Yes, I want to invite you all. Yes, I want to invite you all. How else could I have said this? Sí. Quiero invitaros. That would have been perfectly acceptable. Quiero invitaros, thus attaching it to the end of the infinitive. All right, so I'm going to give you another exercise that you guys can try on your own. It is attached. Both of these documents are in the email that I just sent. So hopefully you guys were looking at it together. So enjoy the day. If you have any questions, give me a call.